Elena's Nature Collection was founded 25 years ago by Lena Schallberg. I was working as a burns nurse at the Queen Victoria Hospital and found that my patients' skin grafts, burns, deformities and suture lines did not heal properly using conventional creams. I couldn't bear not having a healing solution, so I set out to research into making a moisturizer which would make a difference to my patient's skin. After a lot of research, I finally produced my first batch of day cream, special, with handwritten labels of course, and took them to Queen Victoria Hospital, where I tried them on my patients with their consent, naturally. On half of their skin I tried my creams, and on the other half of their skin I tried the conventional medicines. Within weeks we all saw the difference. The healing process had commenced, the redness subsided, my patients were asking to have more of my magic creams. After months the results were miraculous. Fate would, however, that people who also may be prone to eczema or psoriasis came to me from all over England after a woman had sent a letter to the Eczema Society in London, having used it on her child successfully. No endorsements, just a personal letter. The postman arrived daily with lots of inquiries. From then onwards, I worked for 12 years with all my patients trying to find out how to reduce the itch, how to lubricate the dry skin, how to regenerate and rebuild the skin cells. A vicious circle of itch, scratch, blood and pain, unbearable living. Eventually my routine was perfected, which consists of my Trinity soap and shampoo, an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory shampoo to help reduce the itch, my ultimate body oil to lubricate the dry, scaly skin, my day cream special and night cream extra to restore the skin. All my products are available on prescription, your doctor permitting, and it's wise to use my products first yourself to reap the 80% success claimed by my customers, and then approach your doctor. At this point he or she can see the amazing improvement in your skin. All this from using a handmade range of products with no medicinal ingredients, all organic, natural, healing, therapeutic ingredients. Mission completed without a doubt. My motto is our commitment, your success, and I have fulfilled that to every letter. Thank you for listening. My website is www.elenasnaturecollection.co.uk, or you can phone our helpline on 01435 882 092. Thank you very much, and we will endeavour to sort out any skin problem under the sun. Bye bye.